Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt on Roblox mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser, and then in the URL section we need to type in create.roblox.com and then hit enter. Then once you're here, sign into your account. Now once you sign into your account, want to go ahead and click on the three horizontal bars. And then from here, go back to Creator Hub and click onto Dashboard. Now, inside of Dashboards, we want to go ahead and click on Avatar Items. I'm just going to go ahead and click out of that. And now at the bottom here, we've got these different tabs. We want to go ahead and scroll across and click Classics. And now it will say Upload Asset. So go ahead and choose your upload. And now we can give this a name. So I'm just going to call this Tutorial with